Hello, I'm Anu from Just Tutors, and in today's video we are going to learn about number war. In this lesson, we will be learning different breakups of a number, the number just before and after a given number, and comparing numbers. So before we start, let's do the warm-up questions here. For trying them, you can pause this video and work, and once you are done, you can resume and check your answers. These are the answers for your questions. Thumbs up for trying them, and congratulations if you got them correct. Now let's get started with the topics. The first topic is different breakups of a number. We can break a number in different ways. There's this example, 156. We can break it as 156 units, 15 tens and 6 units, also 100, 5 tens and 6 units. Now let's try different breakups for this number, 2036. Well, we can break it into 2036 units, 20 hundreds and 36 units, or 20 hundreds, 3 tens and 6 units, and so on. Now let's proceed and see the numbers just before and after a given number. So which number comes just before 10? It's 9, and how can we find that out? If we take away 1 from a given number, we can find out the number that comes just before that number. So 10 take away 1 is 9. Also, to find out the number that comes just after a number, like there's this example of 10, the number that appears after 10 would be 11. And how can we find that out? We can find it out by adding 1 to that number. So that means if you want to find out the number just before any number, we have to take away 1, and if you want to find out the number after that number, then we have to add 1 to that number. So there's some questions. Number just before 2998, well, we have to take away 1 from this, and we would get 2997. Similarly, to find out the number just after 4999, we have to add 1 to this number. This will make it as 5000. Now let's proceed and see how can we compare numbers. To compare the number, you have to take the help of place values. And to compare the number, you should always start from the largest place value. We will take the example of these two questions. We have 721 here and 271 here. So the largest place value here is 7, which lies in the hundreds column, and here it is 2, which lies in the hundreds column again. So if you notice, 7 is more than 2, therefore 721 will be more than 271. So we would place the greater than symbol here. Now for comparing these two numbers, we would again look at the largest place values. So the largest place values here are thousands, 4000 and 4000. If you notice, both are same. So what should we do now? We would move ahead towards the next highest value, which is 2. It lies in the hundreds column, so we'll look at the hundreds column here also. Well, both of them are same again. So now we will move ahead and compare the values, the numbers in the tens column. This is 3. And it is 1. So 3 is more than 1, therefore this number is bigger than 4213. Now it's time for you to practice some questions. There are 3 questions for you. For trying them, you can pause this video and work it out, and once you are done, you can resume and compare your answers. These are the answers. Thumbs up for trying them, and congratulations if you got them correct. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching it, and for more, please visit justtutors.com.